Okay, you guys, so here's my peach cobbler with ice cream. Yep, yep. Tell the peach cobbler is hot because look how it um, melt in. But anyway, this is it. And I'll give you guys the first bite. Yeah, easy, easy recipe. Yep. And this is really, really sweet and good. Oh, wow. Guys, I guarantee this is something easy like an easy dessert. I guarantee. Yes, yes, yes. All right, just want to come back to show you guys how I look with the ice cream. All right, hope you guys enjoyed my video. My green chili smothered, my homemade green chili smothered burrito. God, this is good. See the peaches? Easy, easy. Yes, yes, yes. And if you guys want to see how I make this, because I will put how I make this in this video instead of my green chili recipe. I'm just gonna put this how I make my I could say dump cake peaches cobbler. Yes. All right. I see you guys in the next upload video. Bye bye.
Everybody should know that's how love goes. It's good for the soul. Oh, I got a long way to go, but it won't stop the pain. No, that's the kind of thing that keeps me coming back again and again. Till I see your face, I won't be satisfied.
Okay, you guys. So my peach. Well, I'm gonna call this a dump cake peach cobbler. And before I cut this, you guys, I will have to let this cool off. But look pretty sweet and tasty. And what I'm gonna have with it, I'm gonna have me a scoop of ice cream. And that's the ice cream they're gonna have with bluebell ice cream homemade vanilla. Yes, yes, yes. All right, so I just want to come to show you guys how I look when I just took it out of the oven. Yes, yes, yes. Yep. All right. I'll see you guys when I make my plate, my homemade chili, beef and bean. I did open me a can of beef and bean. Well, I did open me a can of refried bean, and I don't know if I want to go to the store to get some lettuce, but I'm tired, even though I just baked this. But yeah, so this is what I'm having for dessert. All right, I'll see you guys when I show you how I look inside once it cool off. All right, take care. Hello, you guys, welcome back. This back to my cooking channel, and this is dessert that I'm making. Easy, quick. Peach cobbler. Okay, so yes. If you want, if you want a really quick dessert, even though that I'm not making the peach cobbler, from scratch with the pie crust. But if you want something really quick, the version of peach pie, this is a simple recipe that real quick and easy. Now you could get any kind of cake mix. I choose the vanilla. Most people, you could choose whatever cake mix that you desire. Okay, and this is the peach I'm using.